everyone, so this will be a quick and short video. I just wanted to make you aware of two things today. The first one is that the Roman small sale that's going on Jackson's is coming to an end. The sale is ending on Friday, January the 21st, which is today if you're watching the video today, at around midnight at the end of Friday today. For other people's time zones, I have a few of them on the screen right now, so check it out. And the second thing that I'm really excited to tell you about is that Jackson's has the super granulating colors on sale, and they're available in half pans, all 40 colors. All of them are available, so check those out if you're interested. I believe this is the first time they're offering it in the form of half pans. So if you're interested, they're on sale right now, 10% off all 40 colors, and the prices are on screen. All of them are the same price. So if you're interested, check those out before they go out of stock. I've just checked all of them for you. They're all in stock and online right now. Sorry, online and in stock. And here I am showing you that when you click on them, they do indeed show you that it's a half pan that you're buying. And I just want you to know that there's a specific link to the 40 colors that are in half pans. If you go into the normal Schmincke Horadam watercolor paint page, as you can see right here, and when you scroll down to the bottom, the colors are there, but not all the half pans are there. So if you see, I'm going to click on a few here, and what comes up is the 15 milliliter tubes, and the half pan doesn't show up. Apparently, there's a different link that you have to go to in order to click on the half pans. Of course, you could search it up, but sometimes it doesn't work. So I'm going to put the link down in the description box below so you can check those out. All my links below will be affiliate links for Jackson's, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider using my affiliate link if you are wanting to buy them. And if you're not yet sure which one to get, then you could check the Schmincke website out. They have a really good brochure that shows you like some pictures, some artwork that have been painted with these colors, and also like the pigment information and all that. If you go into their color chart, it doesn't tell you the pigment information, so make sure you click on the brochure. And here are the colors. Feel free to like pause and look at the pigments if you want, or zoom in and zoom out in the swatches. I think they're really useful information. So just letting you know, it's 40 colors, 5 in each of the series. So there's 8 series, like Forest is one series. I don't know if they call it a series, but yeah. 5 in each of the 8, which makes 40 colors. The haze was a limited one, so it's not included in here. And that's it. Just wanted to make you aware that they're there in case you have always been wanting to try them in the half pan form because the 15 mil was too much. Go check them out, guys. Buy them before it goes out of stock. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to drink lots of water and stay hydrated.